Hi everyone, and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today I invite you to join me for a quick Qigong routine to move your body, breathe, and feel your best. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, relax your whole body. Soften your knees and drop your tailbone down between your legs. Keep your back fairly straight and lengthen through your spine. Relax your shoulders down. And just take a few moments here to notice how you feel. Become aware of your entire body. Feeling grounded and connected through your feet. Same time, reaching up through your spine towards the sky. Open your chest. Let your belly relax. And then place your hands in front of the lower abdomen, palms facing down. We're going to inhale in through the nose, softly. All the way up, opening the chest and the sides of the body. Then exhale down. Releasing and softening through the mouth. Inhale, float up. Exhale, relax. Keep your knees comfortably bent. Inhale. Exhale down. Focusing on your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Then sink a little lower, palms facing down. Inhale, draw a bigger circle around you. Exhale, sink down. Palms in front of the belly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, nice and easy. Exhale down. Last one, inhale. Exhale, soften. Keep your knees slightly bent and let your arms relax by the side. Then from here, squat down a little bit and cross your arms. We're gonna inhale, separate the arms, one pressing upwards, another one by the hips, pressing down. Lengthening, opening through their side. Then soften, bend your knees, exhale fully. And press out in the opposite directions again. Exhale. Release, soften. Inhale, lift and expand. Exhale. Inhale, moving with your breath. Exhale. Let me stand here to see the side view. Inhale, keep your back fairly straight. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, open. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Nice full breath and exhale. We're gonna inhale and turn, opening the hands. Look behind you, twisting your body like a towel. Then exhale, slowly return to center, cross your arms. Exhale to the other side. Exhale back. So inhale on one side. Exhale, come back. Inhale, open. Exhale, come back. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time on each side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Let your arm relax as you return to center. Soften, soften, soften. Let your whole body relax and soften. Moving on, we're gonna step forward. Inhale, open the chest to the sky, lengthen through the back leg. Exhale, step back, lengthening through the back of the leg and your lower back. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. Keep all the movements soft and fluid, no tension, just simply moving with the breath. Every time we inhale, we lift and expand. Every time we exhale, we release and soften. Last one here. Exhale, back. Step forward and change legs. Open through the other leg. Exhale. I'm gonna turn to give you a better view. Inhale, we open. A slight arch in your lower back, but not too much. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the flow. Move with your breath. And we're gonna do one more. Step forward, open. Go back, exhale. Forward, bring both feet together. Nice, full breath in. And then exhale, soften. Just letting your whole body relax. Let go. Be open, create this space, sense of ease and harmony inside. Very good. Then bring your feet together. Nice long spine. And we're gonna inhale, come up on our toes, and same time lift the shoulders close to the ears as high as you can. And then drop everything down gently. Inhale, go up. Find power and strength in your legs and then soften. Inhale, go up. Exhale. Inhale, go up. Exhale. Last one here. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Step out, shoulder width apart. Nice, full breath in, gathering the energy around you. And then like a big cloud, just let it flow down your entire body. Softening, relaxing. Very good. Go ahead and close your eyes here. Inhale again. Full lungs. Exhale down. Sending this wave of relaxation all the way down to your feet. Inhale. And exhale. Very good. Then place your hands on your belly, feet together. And take a moment here to rest in a feeling of ease and comfort, balance, connectedness. Let your mind be still. Let your breathing be calm and soft. And relax. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this short routine. Let me know in the comments how you get on, and see you soon.